how to delete all posts on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all posts on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile settings page, what you can do is just tap on activity log. And now here, once you are inside the activity log, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on your Facebook activity. And here under Facebook activity, you can simply scroll down and tap on manage post. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on filters button, and after that on the pop-up menu just select categories. And now here just select your post photos and videos, and after that you can simply check all option, and after that you can just tap on recycle bin button. And once you do that, all your Facebook post will disappear. And that's it. That's how you can delete all posts on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.